it's Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. Today we're doing a haul, not a wig haul, we're doing a wig head haul. Wig head haul? My multicultural model haul. Anyway, I have added, if I remember, I will link the video where I discuss adding multicultural models, aka these ladies, to my channel to just help out everybody in terms of what styles and colors might look right with their different skin tone, facial structures. So I've tried to get as many diverse models as possible. Right now I have these 7 ladies, those 2 ladies back there, and this lady over there. I am actually naming them. So anyway, there's a lot of videos on that. Go check them out. So today I have some new ladies to add to our mix. So let's open them. I will put all the details and prices down below where you can get them. I got them all on Amazon. Let's start with this one. I can't remember which ones I got. I have a problem. Wow, this is really taped. Really. Quick story time. My grandmother used to have a friend, his name was Mr. Busher, and he would always give us what he called Raggedy Anns. Usually it was like a whole bunch of pennies in a pill bottle, which looking back seems weird, but any gift he would give you, like legit, the entire thing would be taped up. The whole thing. It would take you 45 minutes to get it, and then when you got it, it would be like, you know, a stuffed animal that you get like at a carnival. You're like, thanks. Anyway, I just remembered that. Okay, so this one comes with the clamp and everything. I have like a bunch of clamps now. I should probably sell some of them. Oh, okay, this is her. This is her. This is her. A lot of them come with eyelashes, which frankly I usually take off and put different ones on. But she didn't come with any eyelashes or anything, so I'm most likely going to transform her, put different brows on her, put some makeup on her, put some eyelashes on her, and usually I will put that in on my Instagram. Got a tiny little dent, but that's okay. It makes it more like realistic. So yeah, this is her. I'm trying to see if she's not like any of my other ones. I thought she might be like my other ones, but she is not. So I'm going to jazz her up, and then if you go to my Instagram, you'll see what I do with her. So that's that one. Next up, I got this girl, and I realized she's the exact same as the one I have right here. But I completely redid this one. It had like way different makeup on. I completely redid her. But this one was on sale for just $17 or maybe $14. So I got her because I absolutely love this sort of like white skin tone, like albino even. I like that to use in terms of showing what wigs may look like on very fair skin. But I did redo her. I absolutely love what I did with her, but she's definitely more of like an avant-garde. She's not gonna be able to rock every wig. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm still gonna keep this one, and I'm going to change her up. Definitely going to change her up. She's super pretty. This is what she looks like. I like that they come with the wig caps already on. I think what I'm going to do, I definitely need to take her lips. Yeah, I'm going to tone her lips down a little bit. Different eyelashes I'll put on her. And I think her makeup's fine. I just think, like, her makeup's fine. I just want to take her lips and just maybe do more of a nude lip or like a pinky lip and different eyelashes. So this is her. Up next is this one. What is it? Oh, this is just the shoulders, which is so weird, but like when I'm filming, it just makes it easier. It looks a little bit better with the wigs. So for instance, and then she just has like, well, girl. And then she just, like, I would cover this, obviously, but then she has the shoulders. So that's cool. Okay, next I got this one. I got this one for $19.99. Comes with the clippy-doo. This is her. And she doesn't have any lashes or anything, so I'm going to put lashes on her. And I may change the brows. I have these, like, brow transfers, or like tattoo brows like for your face. It's basically like fake tattoo that you would get when you were a kid, but they have them in brows, and I have put them on a couple of the mannequins and they look really, really good. So I think I'm going to put new brows on her and some eyelashes and maybe change the lip color. But this is Zer. Last but not least, we have this one from L7. I already have an L7 mannequin, and that's her, and I absolutely love her. Her name's Shay. So let's see what this one's all about. This one I got only just because it was on clearance. My mom is actually going to be buying me a few of these larger mannequins that are a little bit more expensive, so I can have the rest of the rainbow of colors that I need. I definitely need a few more like light tone. I do have some lighter skin ones over there, but I need a couple more of those. It was on clearance for I don't know what reason, so I decided to get her. And this is Zer. Ooh, skin tone. Is this the same skin tone? It's not. She's darker. Yay! And a little bit different than this beautiful lady. Okay. That's Faith. This is weird looking though.
Why? Why? Why?
All right, let me unwrap her face. I can't. I do like that they come with these mask things so that they don't like get jacked up. Oh, she's so pretty. There is a few imperfections. Oh, it looks like she was cracked. I may have to take her back. Her chin's cracked, but there's a couple cracks. She's really pretty though. I'll let Amazon know and get another one. But I think she is so stunning. I actually don't mind her. Usually I don't like their lipstick. But the eyelashes are nice. Everything is beautiful. She's beautiful. So I'm happy with her outside of those little dents. So that's what I have for the mannequin model haul. If you have a suggestion for a mannequin or model that you want me to get, put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.